Can you imagine a world where your car drives you instead of the other way around? How much would AI shape this future? Welcome to the dawn of a new era, where technology and artificial intelligence are merging to redefine the future of transportation. Picture a world where self-driving vehicles are no longer a concept of science fiction, but a part of our everyday reality. Artificial intelligence is taking the wheel, ushering in a revolution that's set to change the way we travel. With the power of AI, vehicles are learning to navigate complex traffic scenarios, react to unpredictable human drivers, and make split-second decisions, all in a bid to enhance safety and efficiency on the roads. Imagine the possibilities: fewer accidents, less traffic congestion, and an end to the tedium of long drives. Plus, the personalized experiences. Your vehicle could learn your preferences, from your favorite routes to your preferred driving style. As we delve into the timeline of self-driving technology, consider the possibilities that the future holds. The journey of self-driving technology has been a fascinating one, a blend of innovation, creativity, and technological breakthroughs. Let's take a trip down memory lane to trace its evolution. In the 1980s, the idea of autonomous vehicles first came to life. Carnegie Mellon University's NavLab project was among the pioneers, developing a series of semi-autonomous cars that laid the groundwork for future innovation. As we moved into the 90s, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning began to play a crucial role. These technologies enabled vehicles to interpret their surroundings, respond to changes, and make decisions, all vital for safe autonomous driving. The new millennium brought with it a significant milestone: the DARPA Grand Challenge. Launched in the early 2000s by the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, this competition pushed the boundaries of autonomous vehicle technology. The event was a catalyst for many tech companies and startups, sparking a race to develop fully autonomous vehicles. In the 2010s, Google